what is up, gang? What is up, YouTube? It's still K Kwame FX right here. I'm a first trader here in Ghana. I'm on the road to forever successful, and as well as on the road to $100 million. And so yes, if you just joined, then a quick subscription to the channel will do. As well as if you've been with me all this while, then I appreciate the love. Keep sticking with me because the grind is not about to end. I'm gonna use this as an opportunity to apologize to y'all because I left you guys alone. We are supposed to be in this shit together, this trading shit today. We are supposed to be in this trading shit together, and whole lot has been happening with my trading, with me, and with my entire journey as well, which I feel like I'll break everything down in this particular video. So make sure you guys stay throughout the video, and then you get to know what I'm going. So yes, it is what it is. Market is about to open as of now that I'm recording the video. I'm recording the video. Today is I think Sunday. We are to the latter part of Sunday, and as you know, market is about to open. So yes, without wasting much of a precious time, let's get straight into the video. Subscribe and let's go. So let me open my chart. So these are the pairs that we'll be looking to take trade on. If market open and if it presents itself anytime soon, we are going to take trade on these particular pairs. You feel me? So the first pair got to be CHF JPY, and the second pair got to be EUR GBP. So I'm sharing this knowledge for free on here on YouTube. You feel me? You feel me? Yes. So yeah, let's start with how I analyze my market. It's actually beginner friendly. It has everything a beginner would want to know to make money on the market. So yes, just grab your popcorn, your pen, your paper, and then focus and let's analyze together. All right. So first off, when I open my market, I check my levels. You feel me? Where market will be having 10 points and all of that, and the market structure is the king. So this is a point that market got, and then market bounced to the upside. So this particular point is going to have to be a demand zone because market bought. You feel me? A demand zone. The market bought from here, and then over here market also bought from here. You can see market bought from here, and then market also. You can mark our levels. You feel me? You can mark the levels, but then I don't think these ones are super relevant right now. So market also bought from here, and then we are having some sort of a 10 point over here also. So after getting to know the levels, what is left up to me to do on the market is to check the trend. I'm only going to know the trend by knowing market by understanding market structure. So I'm only going to know the trend by understanding market structure. Without market structure, you can't get the trend. You feel me? So as you can see, we are moving to the upside, but what we don't want to see is for market to take a low whenever we are moving to the upside. So as you can see, market was giving us a push to the upside like this. So this is the current trend of the market. Market is bullish until we got to break this particular low. This particular low has been broken. You feel me? So this particular low has been broken, and so therefore the market is no more bullish. We are bearish on the market. It's so simple. Market structure. Whenever we are moving to the upside, what you don't want to see is a break of a low. Whenever we are moving to the downside, what you don't want to see is a break of a high. So simple. Market should keep with a trend that is moving in a particular direction. Otherwise, the trend has been violated. You feel me? Yeah. So just as market broke this particular low, what we are waiting for as traders is we need market to have a pushback into the previous support zones to give us some sort of a resistance, since we can only sell from resistance zones. So we need market to push back to this point to give us a resistance for us to drop to the nearest or the closest level. You feel me? So this is so beginner friendly, bro. I spent a whole lot of time adding things, taking things out, and all of that just to land on this particular strategy. You feel me? So it is so beginner friendly. That is how I trade lately. You feel me? That is how I trade lately. So like, you guys shouldn't take any word from me for granted. You get? So yes, so I am only expecting market to have a push back into this zone, then I can comfortably sell, and then we can short over here, and we target here. So our stop loss is going to have to be, sorry, anywhere from, I think anywhere from 10 pips to 50 pips. I'm good with a stop loss, and with a TP, we're gonna have to be like 492 pips. So let's see how this trade plays out, or let's see how this trade arrange itself and all of that. So we are only waiting for a push back into this zone and we drop, since if we are predicting a sells, or if we find market dropping to the downside, we can't just jump on the trade and sell at any point. You feel me? It doesn't make sense. You would have to wait for the right point, the reasonable point, in order for you to sell and move with the flow. You feel me? Yeah. So let me just put my alert over here, so when market get there we can sell. So add alert. All what you need to know is the direction of the market, and you are only going to know the direction by market structure, by knowing market structure, and then your key zones, your levels, your turning point, and then support and resistance, or demand and supply zones. Bro, this shit is so simple. Keep it so simple and clean. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Look at how clean the chart is. So simple. Don't complicate things for yourself. You feel me? Yes, and all of that. Let's move on to the next setup. So with this next setup, is gonna have to be Euro GBP. I think last week I was in on this particular trade, but it took me out. I was in for sales. It took me out, but then you can see it is making its way all the way to the downside. Some way, somehow, market is actually still moving to the downside, and so we are good for sales on this particular trade. So let's do it like how we did the other one. It's so simple. We are here to check our levels, and then we check the market structure, and then we check how do you call it, our point of buys or sells. You feel me? Yes. So this is a level. This is a level over here, and then this is also a level over here, and then this is also a level that market had a reaction on and then bounced to the upside, and then over here is also a point that we can say market got to tap, and then for some way market got to tap, and then for some reasons market is actually dropping to the downside. So we mark here to be our supply zone, because there were a whole lot of selling opportunities or sell orders over here. That is the reason why market is dropping from there. And whenever you see market buy boom to the upside, there is a whole lot of buying opportunities over here. And so when market happens to come there in future, you still buy. That is the whole concept. When markets buy from a particular zone, you wait in future. When market get to that point again, you buy. Same for the sales. You feel me? Yes. So after spotting all these levels, then what is left for me to do is check the point that we can actually sell or buy from. This being a selling market, we would have to wait for a sell zone. So yes, we would have to put our zone over here, because this is kind of like a head and shoulder, an inverse head and shoulder. When it happens like this, we would have to move to the downside, because this is the right shoulder, the head, and then this some way somehow is the left shoulder. So you can see a break of this particular low, and then a push back into the zone, and then we drop. So push back like this into the zone, and then we would drop. So simple like that, to the immediate or the nearest low. So this is gonna have to be this way. So this also is going to be a 1:5 risk to reward. So keep it so clean, otherwise you're going to mess things up for yourself. So this is how I analyze my market. These two are the only ones I'll be tackling. early this week. These are the 2 setups I'll be tackling and all of that. So lately I've been trading on a 10k live prop account, but things are not like how they seem on these prop challenges, you feel me, and all of that. So why am I saying this? These prop firms are here to bullshit us. Like, they're actually making things harder for us, but we actually thought prop firms are the way and all of that. But for some way, somehow, or for some reasons, prop firms are actually like messing us up. And then, so why am I saying this? I took a 10k prop account, and then it is a live account, you feel me, funded, you feel me. So I made a whole lot of profit on this particular account, and then only for me to withdraw, I got to know that, bro, there are a whole lot of hidden rules back end that are not exposed to us, you feel me, that we are not supposed to know about, you feel me, for them to step on, or for them to use as reasons to like take the account from you or something else, you feel me. So I made a whole lot of profit on these accounts, and when I felt like withdrawing, they told me that I needed to pass three trading days. As you can see, it was 0 on 3. So I managed to pass the 3 trading days, so it was 3 on 3. When I was about to hit on a withdrawal button, it told me I can't withdraw. I need to like pass 5 trading days, you feel me. So I've made the 5 trading fucking days, bro, and I am up in profit on the account. I was up like $400 on this particular account, but when I was about to withdraw, they told me I've violated 15% daily rule, what. And so, bro, I don't know what they are up to. I don't know what they are up to, but I texted them on via mail or via email, and then they were like, with what has happened on my account, I would have to like make $1,400 on the account before I can withdraw. So yes, it is what it is. So I am waiting to make it and then see what is going to happen afterwards and all of that. So yes, it is what it is. I think, bro, prop firms are the way to give you larger capital, but they are messing up in the game, bro. They are messing up. They are making it harder for us, bro. They are making it hard. Right now, it's hard to choose. It's hard to choose, bro. The right prop firm. It's hard to choose, bro. So we got to trade our life accounts and all of that. We have to trade life accounts. So yes, that's what it is. Kwame, once again, these are the setups that I will be taking during the week. And so yes, your trend, which is market structure, your levels, your key point demand and supply levels, and boom, your point of sales and buy, which is support and resistance, you feel me. So yes, these three are the main key things that I use in terms of finding a setup, and they are really helping me kill it on the market. You can see for yourself, my rate or my win rate is 53%. You feel me? 53% win rate, and boom, like it is very great. 53% win rate. 53% win rate is very great, and bro, like everything is actually working and making sense on this particular account. So yes, that's what it is. Kwame love you. Make sure you all stay safe, and then I'm gonna keep the bangers dropping, and yes, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys stay safe and keep God first. I'm out.